What if I told you that some of your favorite songs have hidden messages you've never noticed? Messages that might change the way you hear them forever. From subliminal lyrics to backmasked recordings and double meanings, these hidden messages range from spooky to shocking. And trust me, you'll never listen to these songs the same way again. Stay with me until the end, because the last song on this list might just leave you speechless. Hidden message number 10. The Beatles, Strawberry Fields Forever, The Eerie Whisper. The Beatles are known for their genius songwriting, but did you know that their song, Strawberry Fields Forever, contains a whisper that some fans claim is John Lennon saying, "I buried Paul"? The theory. Some fans believe this was a clue to the infamous Paul McCartney death hoax, a conspiracy that claims Paul died in a car crash and was secretly replaced by a lookalike. The reality. The Beatles denied it, saying the phrase was actually cranberry sauce. But once you hear the eerie whisper, you can't unhear it. What do you think? Creepy clue or just a misunderstood lyric? Let me know in the comments. Hidden message number 9. Led Zeppelin's Stairway to Heaven. Backmasked satanic message. This is one of the most infamous hidden messages in music history. A supposed satanic message hidden in Stairway to Heaven. The theory. Some claim that if you play a section of the song backward, you can hear the phrase, "Here's to my sweet Satan." The reality. Led Zeppelin never admitted to any hidden message, and some say it's just our brains finding patterns where none exist, a phenomenon called pareidolia. But listen for yourself. Do you hear it, or is it just coincidence? Hidden message number 8. Queen's Another One Bites the Dust. Backmasking again. Queen's hit Another One Bites the Dust sounds totally normal until you play the chorus backward. The theory. Some claim that when reversed, the phrase "another one bites the dust" turns into "it's fun to smoke marijuana." The reality. Queen never confirmed this as intentional, but fans are still debating whether it was a clever subliminal message or just an accident. Try it for yourself and let me know if you hear it. Hidden message number 7. Britney Spears, Baby One More Time. Dark lyrics. Britney Spears' debut hit is one of the most iconic pop songs of all time. But have you ever really paid attention to the lyrics? The theory. Lines like "Hit me baby one more time" sound problematic, leading some to believe the song is about domestic violence or toxic relationships. The reality. The songwriters later clarified that "hit me" was actually 90s slang for "call me," but the misunderstanding turned it into a much darker song than intended. Would it have been as big of a hit with a different phrase? Let me know. Hidden message number 6. Jay-Z's Lucifer. Secret message in reverse. Jay-Z's track Lucifer became controversial when fans claimed that playing certain parts in reverse revealed a message praising Lucifer. The theory. A specific line supposedly plays backward as "Murder, murder, Jesus, 666." The reality. Jay-Z denied these allegations, calling them ridiculous. However, the internet loves a good conspiracy, and the debate still rages on. Coincidence or something more? You decide. Hidden message number 5. The Eagles, Hotel California. Satanic references. Some believe Hotel California isn't just about a fancy hotel, but rather a reference to the Church of Satan. The theory. Lyrics like "This could be heaven" or "This could be hell," and "You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave," have been linked to dark themes. The album cover allegedly features Anton LaVey, the founder of the Church of Satan, peering down from a balcony. The reality. The band insists the song is about the excesses of fame and the dark side of the American dream, but the eerie atmosphere makes it easy to see why fans think otherwise. Final 4 hidden messages. Quickfire round number 4. The Rolling Stones, Sympathy for the Devil. Is it just storytelling or a hidden message about real events? 3. Katy Perry's Dark Horse. Was the Arabic language background vocal actually blasphemous? 2. Nirvana's Smells Like Teen Spirit. Is there a secret meaning behind the cryptic lyrics? 1. The real story behind Louie Louie. What were the misheard lyrics that got the song investigated by the FBI? There you have it. 10 hidden messages in popular songs you never noticed. Some of these were just coincidences, but others, you be the judge. Tell me in the comments, which one shocked you the most? And do you know any other songs with hidden meanings? Let's talk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more music mysteries. Turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive into the hidden world of music.